From the pocket pistols of pre-war Europe to the legendary sidearms of the modern age, one German name has defined precision for over a century. Here is every firearm Walther ever created. To kick things off, here is early pocket and compact pistol, Walther Model 1. This was the spark that started it all back in 1908. It was a tiny pocket pistol that proved the company could produce reliable semi-automatics for the civilian market. Now this is the Walther Model 2. It introduced a unique design where the barrel acted as the recoil spring guide. This made it incredibly compact and set a new standard for small frame handguns. Walther Model 3. Moving to a slightly larger caliber, this one featured a left side ejection port. It was a bit unusual for the time, but it showed a willingness to experiment with mechanics. Walther Model 4. This version became a massive success during the First World War. It was reliable, easy to handle, and saw extensive use by officers and police forces alike. Now this is the Walther Model 5. Think of this as a refined version of the earlier vest pocket designs. It focused on smoothing out the edges and improving the overall build quality for everyday carry. Walther Model 6. This was a bold attempt to scale up to the 9mm parabellum round. While it was a bit too powerful for its simple blowback action, it was an ambitious engineering feat. Now this is the Walther Model 7. Designed to be a mid-sized option, it filled the gap between the pocket pistols and larger duty weapons. It offered a great balance of size and firepower for its era. Now this is the Walther Model 8. This was a true masterpiece of elegant design. It featured an internal hammer and looked much more modern than its predecessors, paving the way for future legends. Next, Walther Model 9. It was one of the smallest semi-automatics ever produced. Even though it was tiny, the craftsmanship was top-notch, making it a favorite for deep concealment. Up next, Walther TP. This sleek little pocket pistol was a post-war gem. It brought back the vest pocket concept with modern manufacturing and a very clean, minimalist aesthetic. Walther TPH. This evolved the pocket pistol concept even further. It is incredibly slim and remains a highly sought-after piece for anyone who values discreet, high-quality protection. Now let's look at police and classic double-action pistols. Walther PP. This legendary sidearm changed everything with its double-action trigger. It became the gold standard for police pistols and influenced handgun design for decades to come. Then, Walther PPK, perhaps the most famous handgun in the world. It offered a more compact frame for detective use. Its sleek lines and cultural status make it an absolute icon. Walther PP Super. This was a specialized variant chambered in the 9mm ultra caliber. It was intended for West German police who wanted more stopping power than a standard pocket round. Continuing with military and service pistols metal frame. Walther Pistole. This rare prototype was a glimpse into the future. It featured a locked breech design and an enclosed hammer, eventually serving as the foundation for the famous P38. The next one, Walther P38. This legendary sidearm revolutionized semi-automatic handguns with its double-action trigger system. It served as a reliable staple for decades. It influenced nearly every modern duty pistol that followed. Walther P38K. This shortened variant took a classic design and made it much easier to carry. It featured a barrel that barely extended past the slide. This made it a favorite for those needing a compact yet powerful tool. Then, Walther P5. Developed as a high-tier police sidearm, this model emphasized safety and engineering precision. Its unique left-side ejection port and smooth operation made it a standout choice during the late 1970s. Walther P5 Compact. This version took the refined engineering of its predecessor and shrank it down. It offered a more concealable profile. It remains a highly sought-after piece for collectors who appreciate German craftsmanship. Walther P38. Built with incredible attention to detail, this high-capacity pistol was ahead of its time. Its accuracy and build quality were extremely high. It often felt more like a competition piece than a standard service weapon. Walther P88 Compact. This version trimmed the size while keeping the exceptional accuracy of the original. It moved away from the complex internal slide stop. It used a more traditional setup that made it incredibly reliable for daily use. Now let's look at modern polymer and steel frame pistols. Walther P99. This polymer-framed marvel introduced a unique striker-fired system with a decocker. It famously became the sidearm of choice for the world's most famous secret agent. It blends futuristic looks with rock-solid performance. The next one, Walther P39C. This compact version brought the versatile features of the full-sized model to a much smaller frame. It is a fantastic option for those who want that classic feel in a much more discreet size. Walther P22. Designed for fun and training, this rimfire pistol looks and feels just like its larger centerfire cousins. It is a perfect choice for those looking to practice their skills without the high cost of ammunition. Walther PK38. This pistol was designed with ease of use in mind. It features a slide that is incredibly light to rack. It is a gentle shooting option that provides a comfortable experience for shooters of all skill levels. Walther PD380. A modern evolution in the lineup, this firearm focuses on ergonomics and deep concealment. It provides a smooth and manageable shooting experience. This makes it a top-tier choice for personal protection. Walther PPS. This slim, single-stack handgun set the standard for modern concealed carry. It is remarkably thin and easy to hide. It still delivers the accuracy and reliability the manufacturer is known for. Walther PPQ. Widely regarded for having the best factory trigger and a polymer-framed pistol, this model is a joy to shoot. Its ergonomics and smooth reset make it a favorite among enthusiasts who demand speed and precision. Walther PPQ Q5 Match. Purpose-built for the competition circuit, this version features a ported slide and a red dot-ready mounting system. It is a high-performance machine designed to shave seconds off your time at the range. Walther Q4 Steel Frame. This pistol combines the great ergonomics of the Polymer series with the weight and balance of steel. It is a masterclass in recoil control. It stays incredibly flat during rapid fire, making it a dream for serious shooters. Walther PPX. Designed to be an affordable entry into the lineup, it surprised many with its remarkably smooth pre-cocked trigger and ergonomic grip. The chunky slide makes it easy to manipulate, even for beginners. Then, Walther CCP. This model stands out for its unique gas-delayed blowback system. It was built specifically to make the slide very easy to rack while reducing felt recoil for a more comfortable shooting experience. Walther WMP, a high-capacity semi-automatic chambered in .22 Magnum. It is built for the great outdoors, with a reliable optic-ready slide and a very clever quad-release magazine system. Now this is the Walther PDP. This is the modern standard for duty sidearms. It offers incredible ergonomics and a modular design that fits almost any hand size or shooting style. The trigger is often cited as the best in its class. Then, Walther PDP Steel Frame, taking performance to the next level by adding weight where it matters most. The heavy frame helps soak up recoil for lightning-fast follow-up shots and a rock-solid feel in the hand. To wrap things up, flare and signaling pistols. Walther Leuchtpistole 34, a standard aluminium flare gun used for signaling and illumination. It was built to be lightweight and extremely durable, for use in the harshest field conditions imaginable. Walther Leuchtpistole 42. This flare pistol was a simplified version made from zinc or steel to save on critical resources. It remained a vital tool for communication across the battlefield until the very end. Then, Walther Sturmpistole. This was an unusual conversion of a standard flare gun into a combat weapon. By adding a folding stock and a specialized sight, designers turned a simple signaling tool into a handheld grenade launcher. It was a desperate but clever solution for infantry. Soldiers could fire anti-tank or high-explosive rounds right from their palms. It offered portable firepower in a very compact package for World War II troops.